So the next thing we're going to learn about are consecutive angles, and they're also referred to as same side. So there's two types of consecutive angles. We have the interior consecutive angles and the exterior consecutive angles. So same side interior angle, same side exterior. So it's like we learned before with the interior and exterior. So to start off, interior, same side interior angles are a pair of angles on the same side of the transversal, but they are on the inside of the two parallel lines. So inside of the two parallel lines occurs here. So we're looking for angles that are on the same side. So like I listed, the examples here are angles 3 and angle 5, because angle 3 and angle 5 are both on the left of the transversal, and they are also on the inside of the two parallel lines that were given. So we know that 3 and 5 are consecutive interior angles or same side interior angles. So the same thing goes with 4 and 6. They're both on the right of the transversal, so we know that those are same side interior angles. So we go over to exterior. Exterior means on the outside. So the outside of the two parallel lines occur over here. So we're looking for the same side. So they're a pair of angles on the same side of the transversal, but they are on the outside of the two parallel lines. So our examples here are angle 1 and angle 7. They're both on the left side of the transversal and on the outside of the parallel lines. So angles 1 and angle 7 are consecutive exterior angles. And the same thing applies for 2 and 8. Now the cool thing about both of these are that consecutive interior and consecutive exterior angles are supplementary. So to review, what supplementary means, they add to 180 degrees. So I'm going to erase this definition so we can write down what we can conclude from this. So consecutive interior and exterior angles are supplementary. So supplementary, remember, means adds to 180 degrees. So we can start with, measure of angle 1 and the measure of angle 7, because here's our consecutive angle, same side. So the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2, or measure of angle 7, will equal 180 degrees. So you take your pair of exterior consecutive angles, and when you add them together, you get 180 degrees. So the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 8 should equal 180 degrees. So that's for the exterior angles. Now for the interior angles, we said were 3 and 5. So the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 5 should equal 180 degrees. And our last pair of same side interior angles are 4 and 6. So the measure of angle 4 plus the measure of angle 6 should also equal 180 degrees. So consecutive means on the same side, on the inside or the outside, depending if you're doing with exterior or interior, and always consecutive angles are supplementary.